All right, go.
The horses were like, screw you, they were off in the pasture. Even the pigs had all gone to sleep. And usually they're like squealing because they get 24/7.
Basically going right through it.
And somebody was mad. So when they were in the barn banging around, they came tearing up.
Or is it perlite?
Yep, perlite.
He came in and he was laying in the driveway on the concrete. Everybody else was glad to see him.
So they had the water level.
Oh, but the plastic cup is holding the water too, though.
He will take out a possum.
It'll slowly drain.
Yeah.
It has to be.
Are you from like?
It has to be actually.
So I grew up in Plano, completely, a long time ago, because I'm old. I spent about 8 years in Collin County, and then I actually live in Greenville in Hunt County, but I'm only, well, at night I'm only 25 minutes from here. During the day with traffic, I'm about 40 minutes. I grew up showing horses all over this part of Texas for...
It's my first time.
So we're comparing, right? So
We love this.
There's questions on your worksheet that you're supposed to fill out with it. You're supposed to.
this was peat moss. It went through pretty quick. Okay, this is compost.
I've been looking for my glasses for like 20 minutes. So choose two substrate materials.
I mean, not what I expected. I think it is the same thing.
It's the same thing.
I mean, what strength was dry?
Ours might help a little bit.
So develop substrate with water retention, drainage, and regurgitation.
So what I can.
Compost drain pretty slow.
So it's
Retain a lot of water.
I
Maybe you
can,
can order
I
it.
can,
Well, you do a product.
Buy it.
Yeah, I did.
Peat, cocoa core.
We were gonna disinfect all that stuff, and we're not doing it.
What do we do with
how
this
many
stuff?
components you
I
can
don't
use?
know.
I can probably work on
I don't know. I'm gonna get us the cups for our hands.
I would leave them in the tray and set them on the front table. Are we good just leaving them in the trays and putting them on the front table and let them dry a little bit?
You think we need all
What front
five?
table?
Right? And switch to this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for doing that, by the way. We had some issues with district-wide scheduling and with a schedule conflict that they would not resolve. And we have, I have 6 in here of the 10 that are on track for graduation in either August or December. So we had to run these 2 classes so that they can finish in the fall, or 3 of them are going to be done in August. So
Oh, that's crazy.
It's not 20.
watching it go through,
Just watching how slow it took to go through.
yeah.
Dude, it's nuts. Hey, honey, what did you do at school today?
Played with dirt.
No, played with soil.
Actually, this is a soil-less medium. I played with media. I'm a media tech leader.
Yeah.
Kept half the water.
What is supposed to be here?
Check that out, Outcasts.
I put my glasses on. So, what's the predicted use of that component? Kind of covered that
Sweet.
So you can't go see the
a little bit over here.
So my
So we talked
mixture
about
kept half
compost,
of
coconut,
water
these 5 things.
the in the
What
soil.
do you want to evaluate it for?
Wild.
Look at texture.
That is
So
so
based on your
wild.
observations,